Welcome back to Smooth Auto Vibes, your go-to channel for the latest in luxury, performance, and automotive innovation. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Genesis G90, a flagship sedan that redefines sophistication and cutting-edge technology. Genesis has made a bold statement with this luxury sedan, and we're about to break down everything you need to know. The first thing that catches your eye is the stunning design. The 2025 Genesis G90 exudes elegance with its signature crest grille, sleek lines, and a long, commanding stance. The dual-line LED headlights seamlessly blend into the body, giving it a futuristic yet timeless appeal. From every angle, this sedan embodies class, making it a true competitor to brands like Mercedes-Benz and BMW. One of the standout design elements is the seamless profile. With flush door handles and a gently sloping roofline, the G90 is all about aerodynamics and sophistication. The 21-inch multi-spoke wheels add to its commanding presence, ensuring that this sedan turns heads wherever it goes. Step inside, and you're immediately surrounded by luxury. The 2025 G90 is a masterpiece of craftsmanship, featuring hand-stitched Napa leather, open-pore wood, and metal accents that elevate the experience. The ambient lighting, customizable to your mood, enhances the serene atmosphere. Whether you're in the driver's seat or the back, this cabin is designed for ultimate comfort. Genesis has taken technology to the next level. The massive 12.3-inch infotainment display, combined with a digital instrument cluster, provides a seamless and intuitive experience. The interface is smooth, featuring wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an advanced voice assistant that understands natural speech commands. The crystal-clear Lexicon premium sound system ensures an immersive audio experience, turning every drive into a concert-like journey. For those who prefer to be chauffeured, the rear seats in the G90 offer first-class luxury. With reclining seats, a massage function, and individual entertainment screens, passengers are treated to an unmatched level of comfort. The cabin is ultra-quiet, thanks to active noise cancellation, ensuring a serene ride no matter the road conditions. Under the hood, the 2025 Genesis G90 offers a powerful twin-turbo V6 engine, delivering an impressive 409 horsepower with the optional 48V mild hybrid system. The smooth 8-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive provide a refined yet exhilarating driving experience. With an adaptive air suspension, the G90 glides effortlessly over any surface, making every journey feel like a first-class experience. When it comes to safety, Genesis leaves no stone unturned. The G90 is packed with advanced driver assist features, including highway driving assist, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera for effortless parking. It's designed to keep you safe while delivering a stress-free driving experience. So, what do you think of the 2025 Genesis G90? Does it have what it takes to stand against the top luxury sedans? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth car reviews and the latest automotive news. This is Smooth Auto Vibes, and we'll see you in the next one.